Morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location and depending on where you are watching me from. Please, if you are just joining for the first time, please like, subscribe, share this channel. Thank you. I want to show you something right now. What Binance said about COTPS. And it's very, very important for you to listen to this attentively. Binance make a statement about COTPS, which if you are COTP investor, it will be important for you to listen to it so that you know what's going on right now. So let me go to the page where I saw the screenshot. Okay, as you can see, this is the place I saw the message, and I'm going to read it out right now for you guys to listen to. So please, if you are somewhere where you can be distracted by noise or maybe by someone, I advise you to just move a little bit so that you will understand everything. Thank you very much. So someone contacted Binance, and this is the message they sent to the person. I don't know the question the person asked, but what I'm seeing is Binance response. So here I read. Additionally, we encourage you to contact COTPS since Binance.com customer service does not have any access to the internal processes of this platform or the review of incidents, and therefore the response we can give in the face of that incident is limited to referring you to contact the COTPS platform or failing that to the com- competent competent police authorities. We understand how difficult the situation is, and we hope that the authorities can help you with the investigation and that you can successfully resolve the issue. COTPS is not related with Binance and does not have either code or hot wallet in Binance. So my people, hope you understood what I read. Hope you understood it. So Binance is saying that COTPS don't have any code or hot wallet for COTPS. So presently, I don't know if this is a free Binance or not, because I just got this screenshot from a Telegram group. So I got this update from a Telegram group. As you can see, this is the Telegram group. Someone shared it. As you can see, this is it. So I got the message there. So I decided to read it out for you guys to listen to. So, but I have a good news, but I don't know if you browse your YouTube, you might find the message, because someone today said that his COTPS loaded. That his COTPS loaded today. And me saying it with mouth, it looks as if I don't know what I'm saying, but so I watched a video on YouTube, just like you are watching this particular video right now. Someone said that his COTPS loaded, but if he tries to click any maybe customer care or any other thing, or maybe how to trade, or maybe the thing will just write page error. You understand? So if all these things is going like this, there is hope. There is big hope, and I believe that COTP is gonna come back. I'm having the instinct. My instinct tells me that COTP is going to come back. So please, let's wait patiently. I don't mind what people are saying right now. I don't mind. I believe that COTP will come back by the grace of God with the things I'm seeing. So in a time like this, what we have to do is patience, to wait. So if you have been watching all my videos, you will understand that I've been posting updates and many things about COTPS, and for now, I believe that COTP must surely come back by the grace of God. So that is it, my people. So if you are just joining for the first time, like, share, subscribe, use the link on the description, join our Telegram group. That is it. So thank you very much as we wait for COTP to come back. God bless you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.